How's it going, everyone? Today I'm gonna show you how to fix your TikTok application if you can't send messages to anyone. Now, for example, if you can't send messages to anyone, right here, I'm just gonna show you. And it says not sent, so it's probably because that has to do with your privacy settings. Now, to change this, we must go to your profile. Now, to go to your profile, just click on this profile icon right here at the bottom right hand corner of your screen. Then click on these three horizontal lines right here. Then go to settings and privacy. Now, once you're in settings and privacy, go to privacy right here. And scroll down, and under interactions, locate direct messages. So just click on that. And under direct messages, just go to the settings right here that says direct messages. And it is set to no one. So you can't send any messages to anyone if your direct messages settings is set to no one. So to change that is to click on everyone, so you can send everyone a direct messages. Or you can just click on suggested friends. This means that followers that you follow back, suggested contacts, and friends from Facebook can send you messages. Or you can set followers you follow back and people you send messages to. So I'm just gonna set this on everyone, and let's see if it is fixed. Right here. And so there you have it. I can now send a message to anyone on TikTok. So if you find this video helpful, everyone, don't forget to give this a like, subscribe, and click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!